The circulatory system is responsible for transporting materials throughout the entire body. It transports nutrients, water, and oxygen to your billions of body cells and carries away wastes such as carbon dioxide that body cells produce. It is an amazing highway that travels through your entire body, connecting all your body cells. Parts of the circulatory system. The circulatory system is divided into three major parts: the heart, the blood, and the blood vessels.
The heart is an amazing organ. It beats about 3 billion times during an average lifetime. It is a muscle about the size of a fist. The heart is located in the center of the chest, slightly to the left. Its job is to pump the blood and keep the blood moving throughout the body. The human heart has a mass of between 250 and 350 grams. It is located anterior to the vertebral column and posterior to the sternum. It is enclosed in a double-walled sac called the pericardium. The superficial part of this sac is called the fibrous pericardium and prevents overfilling of the heart with blood. The outer wall of the human heart is composed of 3 layers. The outer layer is called the epicardium or visceral pericardium, since it is also the inner wall of the pericardium. The middle layer is called the myocardium. The inner layer is called the endocardium and is in contact with the blood that the heart pumps.
The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 superior atria and 2 inferior ventricles. The atria are the receiving chambers and the ventricles are the discharging chambers. The pathway of blood through the human heart consists of a pulmonary circuit and a systemic circuit. The oxygenated blood flows through the heart in one direction, entering through the superior vein cava into the right atrium and is pumped through the tricuspid vein into the right ventricle, before being pumped out through the pulmonary vein to the pulmonary arteries into the lungs. It returns from the lungs through the pulmonary veins to the left atrium, where it is pumped through the mitral valve into the left ventricle before leaving through the aortic valve to the aorta.
The blood. It is an amazing substance that is constantly flowing through our bodies. Your blood is pumped by your heart. Your blood travels through thousands of miles of blood vessels right within your own body. Your blood carries nutrients, water, oxygen, and waste products to and from your body cells. A young person has about a gallon of blood. An adult produce has about 5 quarts. Your blood is not a just red liquid, but rather is made up of liquid, solids, and small amounts of oxygen and carbon dioxide.
Red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide. Red blood cells pick up oxygen in the lungs and transport it to all the body cells. After delivering the oxygen to the cells, it gathers up the carbon dioxide, which is a waste of gas produced as our cells are working, and transport carbon dioxide back to the lungs, where it is removed from the body when we exhale or breathe out. There are about 5 million red blood cells in 1 drop of blood. White blood cells or germinators. They attack and destroy germs when they enter to the body. While an infection, the body will produce more of them. Antibiotics help them to fight an infection.
Platelets are blood cells that have stopped bleeding. While bleeding, there is a blood pulses and the blood leaks out. In order to plug up the holes where the blood is leaking from the platelets, start to stick to the opening of the damaged blood vessels. As the platelets stick to the opening of the damaged vessels, they attract more platelets, fibers, and other blood cells to help from the blood to seal the broken blood vessels. Plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of the blood. Approximately half of your blood is made of plasma. The plasma carries the blood cells and other components throughout the body. Plasma is made in the liver.
Where are the blood cells made? The red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets are made by the bone marrow. Bone marrow is a soft tissue inside of our bones that produce blood cells. The blood vessels. In class we talked about 3 types of blood vessels: arteries, capillaries, and veins.
Arteries. They are blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart. This blood is normally oxygenated, exceptions made from the pulmonary and the umbilical arteries. The circulatory system is extremely important for sustaining life. Its proper function is responsible for the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to all cells, as well as the removal of carbon dioxide and waste products, maintenance of optimum pH, and the mobility of elements, proteins, and cells of the immune system.
Capillaries. Capillaries are tiny blood vessels as thin or thinner than the hairs on your head. Capillaries connect arteries and veins. Food substances, nutrients, oxygen, and wastes pass in and out of your blood through the capillary walls. Are the smallest of a body blood vessels and are parts of the microcirculation. Their endothelial lining are only 1 cell thick.
Veins are blood vessels that carry blood toward the heart. Most veins carry deoxygenated blood from the tissues back to the heart. Exceptions are pulmonary and umbilical veins, both of which carry oxygenated blood to the heart. Veins differ from arteries in structure and function. For example, arteries are more muscular than veins. Veins are often closer to the skin and contain valves to help keep blood flowing toward the heart, while arteries carry blood away from the heart.